Okay, it's come loose a bit, and I just need a little bit of a sharp tug. So there's the stern section in its entirety. So we just have to, there's two little screw holes in here, there we go, release that and bend that back. Just like that. Bit of pressure here to release that. Pressure there. One with little brass screws. And hinges here. Hinges on this side. And similarly, this section was held in by one of the little aluminium struts, so we just need to bend that through 90 degrees. And it comes off there. And that's the tail section folded up. The boat itself, I've found, folds up best by creasing it down the middle, like that. I suspect, although I don't know, that looks to be the easiest way to do it. And then fold it 3 or 4 times. There's a wooden piece in the bow that stays there. I haven't felt the need to take it out. I took it out once and just repaired it. And I don't know how you can get it out. So there we go. That's it. Takes me about, I can never remember whether to put the bow part or the stern part in first, so I'll try and remember the next time. The stern goes in first because it's lower, and the bow goes in second, and it all takes about 20 minutes to half an hour depending, and by the time you got it done you're warmed up.